So here's the Accelerate Yellow. It's got the open spoke wheels on it. Black brake calipers. Rear spoiler on this one. Beautiful day here in Bowling Green, Kentucky. So you get a nice view of what this Accelerate Yellow looks like in the sunlight. Alright, so this appears to be the Accelerate Yellow one that we saw actually over there. Just did a quick lap, but here it is in a different spot, I guess. Doesn't really change much, same car, but different lighting, different parking spot. Just in case you wanted to see it. It's pretty cool seeing it out on the road. Wow, that's wild seeing it on the interstate. People are seeing videos of the Accelerate Yellow going at slow speeds, but I think this might be the first one of it on the interstate. It's about 5 o'clock in the evening, so you can get an idea of what the coloring looks like on it now. Pretty cool, pretty cool.